is more than something we admire. It is a powerful storyteller that mirrors who we are.
Today, we uncover how Philippine art rose from the ruins of war and embraced new directions through modern and contemporary movements.
Today's presentation will explore architecture, sculpture, painting, printmaking, and the highest honor in Philippine arts. Through this, we will see how creativity shaped our identity as a nation.
All throughout this journey, always remember that art doesn't just decorate life, it defines it.
And before we proceed to our formal discussion, I would like to introduce to all of you the art explorers na magiging guide natin for today's discussion.
I am your art explorer, Cleona Cruzat.
And I am the second art explorer, Wella Manalo.
And I am the art explorer, Echo.
And I am art explorer, Angel Guadalupe.
And before
And
natin i-start ang ating formal discussion, let's start this presentation with a short icebreaker para naman malight up ang ating mood at para magkaroon naman tayo ng energy. So for a while, i-present ko lang ang aming prepared icebreaker. Miss Angel, would you mind to discuss kung ano magiging direction ng ating game for today's discussion?
Our icebreaker po ay 4 picks, 1 words na dun po sa 4 na picks na yun ay dun po babase ang kasagutan ng ating mga manlalaro at sa kada sagot po nila ay makaka-earn po sila ng point.
Okay, so guys, need namin po ng inyong full cooperation. Kindly raise your hand kapag po gusto nyong sumagot for our prepared icebreaker. So starting with the... Okay, tanungin muna natin kung ready na ba ang ating mga kaklase before we formally start our icebreaker? Okay, heart react naman dyan. Okay, nakikita ko naman na parang prepared na to answer our icebreaker. So let's start with the first slide. Miss Angel.
And makikita po naman po natin ay yung mga buildings. At may clue po dito, structures designed by famous Filipino architects from the American to post-war period. Ano po kaya ang word na dapat hulaan dito? Yes, Ali? Tingnan natin kung tama ang iyong kasagutan. Tama, architecture.
Okay, so may idea na po kayo kung paano sagutin ng ating icebreaker. So now, let's proceed with second slide of our icebreaker. Ang clue po natin ay three-dimensional artworks made by renowned sculptors like Tolentino, Abueva, and Imao. So sino po kaya ang okay, nagre-raise ng hand. Nakikita ko sa screen ko si Althea. So let's see if you're correct, Thea. Okay, sculpture. Since my sculptors, so sculptures. So very good. Thank you so much, Thea.
And for the
Miss
third one
Wella.
naman, 'di ba? Ang galing. Ang galing-galing talaga nila sumagot. Nice. So, for our third naman ay, ang clue natin dito ay artworks using pigment on canvas created by major painters from American period to post-war modernist. So, sino po kayang pwedeng sumagot? Yan. Ang daming may gustong sumagot. Sino kaya? Saglit. Ang nauna po ay si Aaron. Ayan. Ano po kaya ang tamang sagot? Tingnan po natin. Ayan, tama. Painting.
Ayan, so mukha talagang ganadong-ganado ang lahat. Dito naman tayo sa pang-apat. Ang clue nito is individuals honored as National Artist of the Philippines. Sino po kaya makakasagot nito? Ayan. Yes, Lian. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung tama ang sagot mo. Yes, artist ang tamang sagot.
And for our last, I guess this is the last slide of last part ng game ng aming icebreaker. So, okay, pababa muna po ng hand and then tingnan natin kung sino yung mauunang magtaas na talagang deserving sumagot ng ating last part ng ating icebreaker. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. So, Wela, sino pong nauna sa ating mga kaklaseng tumaas?
Parang nakikita ko dito si Tristan eh. Parang
Okay.
ganado.
Talagang si Tristan ay magaling sa ganyang pabilisan mag-raise
Tama.
ng hand. So, tingnan natin, Tristan, if you're correct. Okay, very good,
Nice.
Tristan. Thanks for answering printmaking and then tama ka. And then, thank you so much guys for participating and also for playing our prepared icebreaker. And sana naman ay na-light up namin ang inyong mga mood para magkaroon kayo ng energy na sumagot sa aming discussion for today. Okay, proceed, Miss Wella.
So, for our objectives, we can see that it tells us why we are studying this topic rather. They guide the whole presentation like a map showing where we're going. They help us understand how Philippine art change over time and why these changes matter to our identity.
Okay, since Miss Wella introduced the objectives that will help us in our entire discussion, I'm going to introduce our topic, which is presented in the first slide of our presentation, which is Art of the Post-War Period and the Philippine Contemporary Art and National Artist. Guys, would you mind to read our title of our discussion for today's. Okay, pwede po pahingi kami ng isa na magbabasa muna ng ating discussion for today. Okay, Wela, sino pong una nagtaas?
So, ang una pong nagtaas ay si Samantha. Yan.
Okay. Samantha, would you mind to read our title na ating discussion for today? Okay, thank you so much, Sam. So now, let's proceed to the introduction of our topic. So sabi dito, the story of modern Filipino art begins in a time of to express trauma, hope, and transformation. As decades pass, new tools, global connections, and digital influences expanded artistic possibilities. The National Artist Award recognizes those whose creativity shaped these eras. So dito ini-introduce kung ano nga ba ang dahilan kung bakit tayo nagkaroon ng different types of arts na madidiscuss pa natin sa discussion natin later on.
Ayan. Proceed naman tayo sa post-war period. Filipino art developed in response to national struggles and triumphs. Post-war artists introduced bold modernism, while contemporary creators embraced technology and global ideas. Each period added new colors to our culture identity. Through this artistic evolution, we recognize how deeply connected art is to society. Yun po, sabi po is yung mga mga sinaunang artist is talagang nagbigay ng hustisya sa mga art na nakikita natin ngayon.
Yan. Ano nga po ba ang post-war period? Ang post-war period po ay marks a crucial moment when Filipinos use creativity to rebuild not just structures but spirits. artists began exploring new forms, breaking away from conservative tradition. This era laid the groundwork for modern techniques that influence generations. It showed how art can rise even from devastation.
Sabi sa post-war period, tandaan natin yung quotation na from ruins grew a new expression. So dun pa lang from sa mga negative side ng ating history ay meron naman pala siyang positive impact specifically sa ating topic for today. So Miss Mala, would you mind to proceed for the sculpture?
So, for our sculpture nga po, so si Napoleon daw, Abueva, ang nagdala ng modern style sa sculpture. Hindi na siya nagstick sa realistic forms. Gumamit siya ng abstract shapes para magkwento ng emotions at ideas. So, ang allegorical harpoon niya ay simbolo ng lakas at movement. So, for example natin dito parang nagkikwento ka gamit hindi salita kundi hugis. Kahit hindi mo makita ang eksaktong tao o eksena, ramdam mo yung emosyon. Ganon ang gawa ni Abueva. Yun ang ginawa niya para mas ma-express niya ang kanyang art. Parang kanta na hindi mo naiintindihan ng lyrics, pero tumatama pa rin.
Miss Angel for the sculpture again with Napoleon Abueva.
Ang isa naman pong example ng sculpture ay ang double crucifix pala ay isa po siya sa gawa ni